What's up YouTube? It's Rob Mack from M3 Beats coming to you again on this cold winter day. Probably like the cheapest modification that you can possibly do to your F30. $20. Smoke reflectors to replace these bright orange ones that
Rob Mack.
Like I said, I got these off of eBay for 20 bucks. They're smoked. They also have them in white. And then if you want to pay like a little bit of extra money, then there were sellers that were selling paint matched to your OEM color code, so you can just completely black them out. I wasn't really feeling that option, at least not at first, so I figured I'd try these smoke ones, still get some of the reflectivity benefits and safety benefits that come along with these, but just want to see what they look like. So this install is pretty simple. I think the only tools that you need are 8mm socket, a heat gun, because you're going to have to heat up this area right here in order to get the adhesive to soften up to push out the other, the original OEM reflector, and then some kind of solvent to clean the area and behind it, just so you get good adhesion, because these do stick on with 3M double-sided tape. It already comes pre-applied, so all you gotta do is peel off the backing here, and once we get the other one off, then we just insert it and it should be good to go. So let's just see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead. This isn't gonna be too much of a DIY. There's plenty of places where you can get that at, but like I said, I just explained it pretty much in talking points just a second ago. So I'm just gonna time lapse the rest of it. You can watch me work, and then I'll come back, show you some before and afters, and then you can leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know how you like the video. Once again, it's Rob Mack at M3 Beats. You can follow me on Instagram at M3 Beats, or you can also catch me on my website at m3beats.com.